In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Workspace in DaVinci Resolve. If your panels are out of place, windows are missing, or something just feels off after lots of tweaks, a quick Workspace reset brings everything back to the clean factory layout without touching your projects or media. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. Once it launches to your last page, look to the top menu bar. Open the Workspace menu. From here, choose Reset UI Layout. Resolve will immediately arrange all panels, toolbars, and viewers to their default positions across pages like Edit, Cut, Color, Fusion, and Fairlight. It's a fast way to undo accidental drags, hidden panels, or a layout that got cluttered over time. No files, timelines, or settings are deleted. Only the on-screen arrangement changes. If you work with more than one display, keep in mind that this action resets both screens in a dual monitor setup. That means your primary and secondary viewers, scopes, and bins will snap back to the standard two-screen layout. After the reset, take a moment to glance around each page so you can confirm everything looks familiar again. You can also return to the same Workspace menu to take control of layouts going forward. Open Workspace, then select Layout Presets. Here you can save a custom layout once you've positioned panels the way you like, maybe scopes docked on one screen, a larger timeline, or specific mixers open. Give your arrangement a clear name and save it. Later, if things drift or you try a different configuration, you can reload that custom preset in a couple of clicks, or recall one of Resolve's default presets to start fresh. A few quick tips as you do this. Before saving a preset, set up your monitors exactly as you intend to use them, because presets remember which panels live on which screen. If you regularly switch between editing and color work, consider saving separate presets tailored to each task so you can jump between optimized layouts instead of reshuffling panels every time. That's all it takes. Open DaVinci Resolve, go to Workspace, choose Reset UI Layout, and you're back to a clean slate. Then use Workspace and Layout presets to save your favorite arrangements so a perfect setup is never more than a moment away. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, note they can vary by version and operating system, so using the Workspace menu is the most reliable approach. And remember, these changes are reversible. Reset again anytime you want to clear things up. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, tidier Resolve experience.